Applications of biotechnology. Biotechnology is a technology that uses biological systems or living organisms to create or modify products for a particular purpose. Biotechnology can be divided to a lot of parts: marine, animal, medical, agricultural, and etc. There are a lot of applications in biotechnology. In this video, we are going to discuss about a few of them. Edible vaccines. Plants or vegetables that are engineered to express an antigenic protein. Upon consumption, the protein is recognized by the immune system and vaccinates the patients against the original antigen. The edible vaccines involve in the introduction of selected desired genes into plants and then induce these altered plants to manufacture the altered protein. Edible vaccines were initially thought to be useful only for preventing infectious diseases. It has also found the application in the prevention of autoimmune diseases and cancer therapy. Major plant species were used as vaccine models. Potato is an appropriate model for producing vaccines against tetanus, diphtheria, hepatitis B, and Norwalk virus. Banana is commonly used plant species in the production of edible vaccine. Tomato produces better effect against Norwalk virus than vaccines that are produced from potato. Alfalfa is the plant which is used to develop edible vaccines mainly for veterinary purposes. Antibiotics. Antibiotics are produced industrially by a process of fermentation where the source of microorganisms is grown in large containers. In 1928, Alexander Fleming made one of most important contributions to the field of antibiotics. In an experiment, he found that a strain of green penicillium mold inhibited the growth of bacteria on an agar plate. Examples for antibiotics: penicillin, cephalosporins, tetracyclines, aminoglycosides. Hornless cattle breeding. Angus cattle, which is Scottish breed of small beef cattle, do not have horns. When they mate with dairy cows, half of their offsprings are hornless, but the question is the quality and the yield of milk production is less. So, scientists wanted to breed hornless cattle but all dairy. What is DNA editing technology? DNA editing is a group of technologies that gives the ability to change a living organism's DNA by using enzymes. By using this technology, we can cut the DNA, remove existing DNA, and insert replacement DNA. So, scientists found a natural allele which is called as POLD that causes to stop growing horns of dairy cattle embryo. Then they insert the allele to dairy cattle's DNA. Then two healthy hornless dairy cows were born. So that is how the scientists breed the hornless cattle. This helps to remove both expensive and harmful methods which are used for dehorning physically. Not only that, but also to protect the handlers and the other animals. When we talk about conclusion of this video, first we talked about edible vaccines, how the edible vaccines are made and examples for edible vaccines. Next, we talked about the importance of antibiotics and Finally, we talk about how hornless cattle are bred with the use of gene editing technology. Now we have come to the end of my video. Thank you all for watching.